This is Lisa Gollum Art Channel, and I'm excited because we're going to start a new series and a new playlist. So in this series, I just want to have some fun. At every episode, we will explore something strange that you don't think of when you think of fine art. We're going to try painting with different tools. So today, I'm using 10 different tools, actually. You guessed it, my fingers. And I don't know what I'm going to paint. I've not planned this whatsoever. I'm actually going to start with white. And let's try the fingernails. Okay, I've done this with my fingers. I've done this with my nails. I've patted with my fingers, but I haven't used this part of my hand, or this part. So I'm thinking, what else could I do? That's messy. So what do you think? Did it art? I think it's kind of cool. Let me know in the comments what you think. See you later.